Hi everybody, how you doing? I'm Greg and thank you for coming to my video. Today we are going to be making chicken stir fry. One of the greatest dishes I think are on the planet. So why don't we get some of those ingredients and start cooking. You're going to need 2 to 3 tablespoons soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. For the chicken, you're going to need 2 large chicken breasts sliced thinly into bite-sized pieces. Then you're going to marinate it in 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil, 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 to 2 teaspoons of ginger, 2 tablespoons of sweet rice cooking wine, 1 teaspoon of 5-spice powder, and 1 to 5 teaspoons of red pepper flake. One's normal, 5 is, oh my god, hot. Now set that aside and prepare your vegetables. So take your bok choy cabbage or any other real cabbage and slice it into thin strips and prepare for saute. Then shred some carrots, slice some onions and peppers and mushrooms, any other vegetables you would like to throw into your little mixture. Now you're ready for the stir fry. Preheat a pan up onto high for just a few moments and then get that ready and sizzling. Then add in your meat and the sauce that it was marinated in. Stirring constantly at a high fry, you want to make sure that you keep the meat moving so it doesn't stick. It should only take about 2 to Now take a hot pan, add a few tablespoons of oil to it, and then add your vegetables in as the oil is hot and starting to smoke. And then you add in your garlic if you're going to use it. And then liberally stir fry or flip and stir at the same time. Make sure the vegetables keep moving so they don't burn. Oh, those aromas are smelling so good right now. Yeah, and add in your carrots and your onions. Stir them in. Make sure your pan is still nice and hot, and you're constantly stirring those vegetables. Oh my god, that smells so good. At this point, you want to add in whatever cabbage you're going to use. And you want to start tossing it into the other vegetables, but just kind of turn it over here and there. Allow it to start to wilt a little bit with the heat and the oil. Add your soy sauce and your sesame oil, and then just start stirring everything up, and it should start coming together pretty quickly. And then you're almost ready to plate. And you want to start tossing it into the other vegetables, but just kind of then transfer to a plate, or you can serve it directly with the meat and the vegetables onto your favorite type of rice. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video.